Hi developers, my name is Lucas Servino. I am a software developer and today I am going to talk about dotCover. It's a tool from resharper where you can show different metrics and data from your test inside your project. So the idea for this overview is talk about code coverage, different test color running and navigation inside the solution, hotspots, and showing the most risky classes, different configuration buttons inside the section of test results, and how to export different results in different formats. So let's start. Starting to showing these things, I have here a solution in .NET Core with three projects: a web API and two unit test project. One of the most important here is XUnit test project. This one you can run .NET Cover with the three most important framework in .NET: XUnit, NUnit, and MS Test. Here I have XUnit test project, but it's the same. You can run it with this one, with all of these three projects, of the three frameworks. Sorry. Well, let's start. You can run and cover all the tests with double right click here, and you can run cover unit test, or you can do the same going to extensions, resharper, cover, and cover application. You can do both things the same way. So if we run the cover unit test, you will get the unit test coverage with these three sections. The three sections are showing the code coverage in all your projects. Here you can filter and exclude from cover results. If you exclude one of these projects, the code coverage will calculate automatically again, and you can show all nodes again. It's very useful when one of your project you are not considering. In addition, you can show the hotspot. The hotspot is very useful when you want to see the most risky classes. For example, here I have all the classes in my solution that I'm covering, and this one is the most risky class. So if you have to add more tests, you have to take in mind that you have to make tests in this class and then go into the another classes. Furthermore, you have different colors in your classes. For example, if I access this project, I have three classes that I'm considering. For example, this class, when you navigate in this class, you will see different colors here. For example, I have here a green color. When you are seeing a green color, you see you consider this, for example, this method in your XUnit test project. So you have here two unit tests related with this method. So you are covering this method. But you have here another color, a gray color. If you have a gray color, you have uncover. You have a statement uncover. So if you have in the future add a new unit test, you have to consider this method because you are uncover. And if you have in the project a red color, you have considering this method, but you have a fail when you run this unit test. Here all the tests are running okay, so and pass it, but if you see a red color, it's related with that. So following, in the unit test section, you have more buttons. For example, here you have match cover result with current project structure, so you can change the icons here, and you have different highlight colors. You can hide the colors and you can show the colors too. And here there is a save coverage snapshot. It's very useful if you have to pass another member of your team all the section, all the unit test coverage. You can save this file with this extension .dcvr, and if its person has previously installed dotCover with resharper, he or she will see all the unit test coverage with all the summary that you are looking at the moment. It's very useful with you have to pass another person this summary. What else? Here you have a drop coverage data if you want to clean all the unit test coverage. And another useful button is this one. If you want to export this result because you want to show more organized this data, you can. So let's do it and let's see how it looks. For example, I want to export all this summary in, for example, in HTML. So let's export. For example, here I can save this file and as you can see, you will see all the same summary, more organized and more clean, and you can navigate in different sections, and you will see too different code coverage in all your classes and all your methods. So it's very useful because you can see where start to make different unit tests to cover in all your solutions. Sorry. Well, that's all, and I hope it will find very useful. See you in the next video.